Hello friends, welcome back to Wilsafety Training Institute, a video session. Now, today we are going to talk about how to pass NEBOSH IGC1. As you know that NEBOSH IGC1 is a theory-oriented subject where you will be discussed about 5 elements on the management system of health safety. Now, the first element consists of foundations, health and safety. The second is all about health and safety management system, policy. Then plan, do, check and act continuously. A total of 5 elements. Out of these 5 elements, you have to write an examination for 2.5 hours. And you will be provided with a question paper for 100 marks and you have to get 45 marks. There will be 2 sections. Section 1 consists of 20 marks, section 2 consists of 80 marks. There is no objective, there is no option for you to leave any. We request you to attempt all the questions and try to answer it promptly. Now, coming to the main point. Now, NEBOSH assess your examination paper through a technique called Bloom's taxonomy. What's Bloom's taxonomy? Don't worry, it's nothing but very easy concept. It requires the candidates that they have to answer in such a way that it is too specific to the questions asked. For this, to understand this easier, NEBOSH questions are based on 5 command words, which are give, identify, define, explain, describe, outline. So out of these 5 command words, any word can be found in any question. So you have to structure based on the command word only. Second thing you have to consider is that check the number of marks awarded for the question. The question may be for 2 marks, 4 marks, 6 marks, 3 marks, vice versa. Based on the command word, you have to structure the answer. Tip number 2. During the classroom session itself, be attentive and prepare yourself for the answering. You have to understand the concept. Based on the concept, try to answer the question. Be on your own words. Don't mug up or prepare seeing the old question papers or revision guide and all. Just have an idea about those. Use those revision guides for reference only. Prepare notes on yourself. Tip number 3. To pass the examination, you have to have a mind map for each of the topics and subtopics of each elements of IGC1. How to prepare? It's simple. Go to the index page where you can find list of elements and list of topics under each, or else see the learning outcomes. Have the keywords of each question's learning outcomes apart from command word, which I said earlier. Then prepare based on the mind map. You structure the answer. For each topic in a mind map, you should have at least 4 to 5 sentences. This can be done after the classroom training session and before the examination. Take a fresh paper. For each question, you have to prepare answers. Please keep in mind that these questions are most repeated in the previous examinations. Right? Once you are done with that preparation questions and answers for the questions, then you can proceed for the examination. All the best. Thank you.